Hello friends, welcome back to Famous Education channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos on Node.js Node.js login form, Node.js getting form data, then introduction to Node.js. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. We are going to see insert form data in MySQL using Node.js Express. For that, the required steps are create Node Express.js app, create table in MySQL. Just now I told you contacts is the name of the table. I will show you. Contact is the name of table, F name, last name and email ID. Then create database configuration file, create app.js file and database connection. Now we will see the main part. I will show the package.json file, which is very important for npm start command to work. This is the main is server.json file, and here it is written here start node server.js file. These things are very important for npm start command. Now we will go to the HTML part. It is there in views folder, index.ejs, HTML form. Here enter first name, enter last name and email, enter email ID and submit button. Now we will go through the main file server.js. First of all, I will show you the configuration file. vim database.js. This is configuration file. Host is localhost and this thing database is SAM. Now I will show you the file, which is the main file I am opening. It is there in package.json link. Now this part are required for this program, all this part. The database we have seen the configuration file. Then create where express, just I told you to create node express app. It creates a node create app, this command. And here remember one thing, here render, in the sense I need to switch on to the index HTML file. For that this command is necessary. Unless and until you type this command necessary, it will not redirect you to the home page. And this is action part, and here we store the values in temporary variables we have created, and then we insert it into the database. And if the data are successfully stored, then it will fire the message and again it will be redirected to the same page, and this catch the errors. And this is the port number on which I will run the program. Right now Node.js server, since program runs on server, it is having port number that is 3000. Now I will execute the command program app npm start. Yes, node app has been started running the port 3000. Now we will see http and yes for Sachin, then Tendulkar, sachintendulkar@gmail.com. Yes, data added successfully. Now Saurabh Ganguly and Saurabh@gmail.com, data added successfully. Then Virat, last name Kohli and Virat. So 3 record has been inserted successfully. We will verify they are inserted in or not in the database. Here 200 is coming, means that the data is received to the server and it getting response. Get is the method and post is also the method. Okay. Now here we will see select star from yes, 3 record has been inserted successfully. So yes, we are successfully done with inserting form data in MySQL database using Node.js. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.